Jubu learns.
Hello guys! Let's help this girl to apply makeup on her face for a party. This is hair. This is eyes. How cute it is, right? And this is eyebrows. Now lipstick on our lips and cute drawings on our cheek. Pink blush for our cheek. One earring on her left ear. Another earrings on her right ear. Beautiful glittering necklace on her neck. Hair band for her cute hair. And finally, beautiful winter hat and coolers for eyes. It's time for party.